In problem 2, it asks us to find the area of a semicircle. It has a radius of 3. You can count the little squares in the graph, and so you can see the radius is 3. All the way across would be 6. The area of a semicircle is half of the area of a circle, and a circle is pi times radius squared. So we just need to plug in the information we know. We know that the radius is 3, so we need to square 3. 3 squared comes out to 9, so we have 1/2 times pi times 9. Half of 9 is 4.5, so you can rewrite it as 4.5 pi if it's looking for an exact answer, but if we are approximating, you can use 3.14 or your pi button, and it's going to come out to about 14.13. And remember, it's square units because area is two-dimensional.